So I've bought this old girl a few years ago now. The old white road boss. It's a 78, 79 model. I'll have a quick look in the door in a minute and confirm that, but late 70s. It's got the Cummins 400 big cam in it. It's got all the original decals and hood and badging are all on it, which is good. The grille's a little bit different, but it's been patched up over the years. Headlights, I think a VB Commodore, which they're coming out. Got something inside later, I'll show you what we're going to put in its place there, but she's a rough old girl. I bicked it up from Grosswold probably about 4 or 5 years ago. I think I paid about $8,000 for it. It was pretty sad condition compared to what it is now, as in it had no air in the tyres, didn't want to crank, battery power didn't work, didn't seem like it was going to be a good thing, but in the end we got it fired up and we were able to bring it to life, and it starts and drives. It's got a 15 speed in it, 3:9 ratio diffs in it. It was a tipper. We took the bin off and cut it up and got rid of it. It was all rusted out. It's probably going to be some sort of flatbed hook lift arrangement vehicle that we can use to pull our cars around where we need to with, or go to shows with static engines on the back or whatever. But the aim with this one is just to get it roadworthy, registerable, drive it in its standard trim. It's got a bit of rust in it, a fair bit of rust in it, but we'll sort that out. Put some new exhausts on it. We'll keep the stacks the way they are for the intakes, just make them look new and good again. It's all there. It's pretty rough inside, all very original. There should be a placard somewhere around here, maybe it's on the other side. But yeah, it's basically a 10-speed, high-low. We've got deep reduction here for the bottom 5 to make it a 15. That's up there. And what we'll do is I'll just have a quick look around the front. Underneath, these tanks will come off. We'll try and tidy all that up. Battery boxes will come out. Toolboxes on the other side. Just reconfigure all that and make it look a bit neater. It's all there. It's got a lot of air leaks. Brakes are wound off it, but we can still push the pedal hard enough just to pull it up to move it around the site. It's got a bend in the bar. We'll pull that off and try and repair that, make it straight again. But for now, we'll fire it up and run it inside the shed here, because we're going to start pulling some parts off it. We want to pull the bar off and pull the nose off and start having a look at what needs to be done first, and hope you guys enjoy the journey coming along with us and watching what we do. I don't know how much we'll be able to film while doing it, but we'll try and show what we can. We know people like these old trucks. It was owned by, I think, a place called Rock Excavations. There's a phone number there. I've been told it was involved with some other truck companies from the late 80s, early 90s. If anyone knows whose it was originally, feel free to let us know. But yeah, we'll get it fired up and we'll move it inside and take a closer look. So I've just put a couple of new batteries in it this morning. It's pretty cold here. It's the middle of winter in Australia. And yeah, she's flaming cold at the moment. So those batteries that were in it were no good. Hopefully these ones will juice it up a bit. rid of it. Just going to go here so I can cut it up. Righto, we got air on the white, we got a turbo on it, first drive. You gonna give her a Jake or what? Righto. Righto, so we've got the bar down. We're going to use our little manual fork apparatus here to lift it up and off. Got to get these rusty 2 hinge bolts off and it'll come straight away. I'll put a little bit of shift you bastard on there and see if that helps. We'll give that a tap. Bar's detached. We should be able to just go up with this thing now and bar's off. Point of no return now. Next we'll roll the nose forward and have a look what has to come off for it to be lifted away. They might require the proper forklift though. Let's have a look. So the bull bar is off, which is great. This little thing's walked it out to our motorised fork. Yeah, that'll be a bit of a side job, that one, to straighten up and repair, because I do want to use that bar. It is a nice bar, suits this truck very well. Just find a spot to put it for a little while. I forgot to mention before, I believe that's a Hendrickson rear end in it. But again, I don't know a lot about trucks. I'm learning as I go with this one. I know a little bit about them. I know more about the engines than anything, but if anyone wants to comment on what they're like, be interested to know a bit more about that. Thinking about airbags later, maybe one day, but as I said, for now, I just want to be able to drive it in its standard format. Just try and squeeze through the shed there. All right.
Where do you want it?
We'll just put it up there towards the bushes for now, and we'll stand it up against a tree or something. Just keep the rear wheels pretty straight and we should be okay. Just drop it down to the ground there and we'll drag it over. You'll have to stand up on those hinges or something. Yeah, I'll give a bit of a lift here. Right. So we've got a couple of rusty hinge bolts down the bottom. There's a bit of wiring we'll have to deal with. I think we just, we'll cut it because we'll have to pull some terminals through, and the headlights will want new terminals. We'll have to tidy up all this glass. It's just cable on one side, this one's broken.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Right.
Oh well. Have you finished?
Yeah, we'll undo a few things up here and cable and some wiring, and then we'll sling it and knock those two bottom hinge bolts out. The bonnet is detached now. Bit of a challenge on this one. Our bolt was fused in that, head broke off, and we had to angle grind that side off. But she's away. Lower that down there, Brad, and get it closer to the ground.
Parents?
Yeah, all good. Straight down. So we'll move that and sit it up onto the back here for the moment, so we can strip it down a bit more and expose the front. Start pulling some bits off here, and we'll have to service a whole bunch of lines and hoses. We'll redo power steering lines. That turbo drain's just a bit of makeshift old garden hose or something there at the moment, irrigation or fire hydrant hose or something. But yeah, making a little bit of progress, which is good. And then we'll have to start stripping the body back, or the cab back, with all these accessories so we can expose our rust. That's sort of the main aim here, is to get the body rust free and repainted, and then we'll go into the interior and start stripping down the rails, wheels off, service the brakes, new tyres. There's a lot to do, so we'll keep moving into it. Is that oil or water?
Come back down, Tony. Hang on, righto. Now go up. I think it was supposed to be all at one stage. How far in can I go? Can I get that wheel up?
Yeah. Righto.
In enough?
Yeah. It's not the highest shed, but just high enough for what we need to do. Righto, try that. Tilt back a little bit more. Yep. Run that in. Right, stop there and just tilt it, square it up. Yep, come straight down there. Come another inch forward if you can, or tilt forward a bit more if you can. Yep, sit it there. Beautiful. Well, that concludes today's efforts, which I think is a good start. Any start's a good start. And yeah, I've got to start making a bit of space here now to be able to put some more of these accessories and things off to the side as they come off. But we're a little bit shy of closing the barn door, I think. So I might just move this back another foot and then that'll wrap it up.